Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to play Minecraft on Samsung Galaxy A17. In this video we will see overall gameplay and experience of the game on different graphic settings. So let's start. First go to settings, then go to video. Here you can see graphic mode and we have three settings: simple, fancy and vibrant visuals. Unfortunately we don't have ray traced in Samsung Galaxy A17. In this gameplay I am going to play on vibrant visuals. Enable it. I have also enabled the FPS and temperature meter at the bottom, so you can see the FPS and temperature both. Now as you can see we are in the world of Minecraft, and as you can see there is clearly a lag while playing on this graphic settings. Let's do some mining. And here you can see the screen is now freezed and you can visually see the lag. In this graphic settings, there is no way you can play the game. Now in second gameplay, I'm going to play on fancy settings. So let's change it. Now in this gameplay, the graphic mode is fancy. So let's start our gameplay. Now I am also going to record my gameplay to see how good the mobile perform while playing and recording the screen at the same time. So as you can see, the recording is started. Now let's play. Now as you can see, we are playing on fancy graphic settings while recording our gameplay. So let's do some mining. As you can see, the game is performing very well in this graphic settings. There is no lag as you can see, and I can easily move back and forth. Let's do some hunting. Now let's create some boxes. As you can see, the mobile is performing absolutely great with almost 80 FPS and the mobile temperature is 30, which is great. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.